Sesame Credit will show a user's credit rating in a score ranging from 350 to 950. The higher the score, the better the rating. With a good score, consumers can rent a car without a security deposit or enjoy simplified visa application procedures to some countries. Sesame Credit is adding more partners by the day. So how does it decide on someone's creditworthiness? Well, Sesame Score has 3 main data sources. The first one is Alibaba's omnipresent payment service, Alipay.
In fact, for credit rating companies, the sources of data are extremely important. The first source of our data is collecting the information users leave on Alipay with the user's authorization. The data includes behavior, consumption data, and utility fee payments.
The second source of data is information directly obtained from various government offices. The third kind of information is developed when a consumer uses Sesame Credit to rent a car or check in at a hotel without a deposit. The result will migrate back to Sesame Credit, feeding the company's algorithms and refining the user's score. Currently, most of the information Sesame gets is non-credit data. But to really understand its users, it also needs credit data, such as whether a person paid their mortgage on time. But is all this information enough information?
Since Sesame Credit has no credit information, it only has the social behavior, utility fee payment records, and e-commerce data. Using those things to predict a person's future repayment intentions is useful, but it is limited.
In China, all credit-related records are saved in the People's Bank of China's Credit Rating Center. Earlier this month, the government launched a website containing the credit data of some Chinese residents and firms in its own effort to establish a credit rating system, basically doing the same thing as the 8 new credit rating companies. In fact, only a quarter of China's population have records in the PBOC system. The rest have never borrowed from banks. With so many people outside the banking system, the PBOC felt it had to turn to outsiders for help to develop nationwide credit ratings. But by doing so, has it really laid the groundwork for a credible nationwide system, or just thrown the market open to see what happens? Either way, billions of Chinese people will now have one more thing to worry about, just like you. Wang Lihuan, ICS for CCTV, Shanghai.